Alam niyo ba mga idol na 2 beses nang bumisita sa Pilipinas ang NBA star na si Kyle Kuzma? Unang beses nga ng kanyang pagbisita dito ay August 30, 2024. Dito niya unang tikman ng mga pagkain Pinoy, kain na lang ng adobo, halo-halo, hanggang mga snack at game na game nga si Kuzma sa food trip. Sabi nga niya ibang klase ang sarap ng lutong Pinoy. At eto nga mga idol, panoorin natin.
Here, you can try this one first. Yes. So that is what we call cornix. It's a deep fried corn puff. And actually the name is boy bawang. In English, it's like garlic boy. So it's known for its garlic taste.
Same thing?
Yeah, that's the same thing. You like it? Alright. So second, you can try this one. Yeah, you can try it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Oh, this is better.
So this is salt and vinegar chips. And it's really known here in the Philippines, and people pair it usually with beer. So yeah, you can. All right, now you can try the third one.
And this one is what?
So there's chocolate inside, and it's called pillows because it's shaped as a pillow.
Jeez. It's all good.
It's really good.
I love chocolate. This is tough. I don't know which better.
Yeah. So out of the three, which one is your favorite?
They're all different. I feel like I love chocolate, but like I really like
Salt and vinegar one. Does it remind you of any?
At yan lang naman mga idol, iba talaga ang connection ng Pilipinas at basketball. At syempre nandyan si Kuzma para patunayan yan. Nag-iisang Kyle Kuzma, hindi lang NBA star kundi certified kaibigan ng Pinoy fans. Hype Boys PH nga pala. Please like and subscribe mga idol.